All right, I'm going to make a little video about the Casio, this Casio FX991X. To do an exponential function on here, I really want to clear this out. This one's good. I like this one. I hadn't seen this model. So anyways, what you can do is you go to menu and you have all these options here. And what you want to do is go down to, man, you got all kinds of good things. This is a good one. You're going to go all the way down to table and hit that, and FX makes Y also. And so you're just going to do the same thing, and you're going to hit as the other calculators. So you're going to hit X, and then, well, this is the button right here to do, well, I guess I got ahead of myself here. It's 2. It's supposed to be this, right? 2, hit this button, and then the X. So you're going to hit enter. We don't need that anymore. And so, because we only have 1, so let's start on 1. I don't really like the end of 5. I might want to start on, in this case, someone might want to start on -3. And end on 3 and do step 1. Because that's what I'm telling you to do. And so it just actually gives you the table. And so if you need longer, and it does give it into decimal form, which is okay. It does give you just what you asked for. So if you want a bigger range, you just put it in the bigger range. So hopefully that helps a little bit on this one. And so I'm done with that one.